Hello, everyone. Welcome to Inner Life 101. Today we have the video that I was telling you about where Kandi, after she went off on Malia, she went to her own page and went live and just kind of started ranting, and she admitted some things, and so I don't know. It's hard to tell if she's telling the truth or not. So maybe you can, maybe you guys can decide for me and leave them in the comments. Leave what you think in the comments. Okay, let's get to it.
Talking. I ain't gonna lie, I think I took a nap at one point. I don't even know for sure. He talking, and we kicking the shit, bro. You know? We kicking the shit. So he texts me, I'm like, yeah. I'm with it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm with it. I'll go with it. Like, what's up? At the end of the day, babe, you know how I am. I got a real family and real life, real people. So I don't give a fuck. Even, you know what I mean? Even if they would say, oh, yeah, they got, like, I don't care about none of that. It's social media. At the end of the day, I come from an era where we didn't have no internet, social media. We didn't even have no AOL tiles. So I'm a real lifer. You know what I'm saying? So boom, I'm like, yeah, I got you. I got you. At the end of the day, like I said before, time and time again, I don't hate nature, boy. I don't. I don't. And yes, I just spazzed out on Malia. Yeah, I just reneged on the fucking deal that we had. Yeah, but guess what? I'ma still be back on his page. The fuck? I'll call him later. I'll call him later and tell him my bad. I tried. You the one that took too long. You should have been said why you acting like you. You should have been said that. You had me sitting on there all night. How long was I supposed to think for? And you got that bitch on there questioning me and shit, nigga. That wasn't part of the plan. That was not, bro. Fuck that bitch. Me and why would you associate with World News? Bitch, fuck World News and fuck you too, bitch. Fucking unfit ass whore. Fuck who she thinks she is questioning me. What's wrong with that whore? These bitches crazy as hell. These bitches fucking crazy, and this is why, bro, I tried. I tried. Look, I don't give a fuck, Eli. I don't give a fuck if you be mad at me, bro. I tried, yo. I tried. I tried, but Malia was not part of the fucking plan. And not only was she not part of the plan, but that bitch on here questioning me. Who the fuck you talking to? Why would you associate with her? Bitch, why would you leave your fucking son in an undecent manner, bitch? Why you been home for goddamn 90 days and ain't seen your son once, whore? Why the fuck is you on here with this nigga when you the one that got up in that bitch sick and fucking half dead, whore? Fuck she mean, bitch. That's why I can't. See how I try? I try. Eli, I try, bro. I try. I try. I try. I try. I try, bro. No, ain't no I try. Enough statement that I agree with that he said. And I think it was one foot in front of the other, or something stupid like that. I'm on this motherfucker, right? I told this nigga, I said, you know, fuck world. World News disrespecting me. I'm gonna hop on your panel, denounce it. Tell these people I don't even know you for real in real life. You know what I mean? Because my thing was, you already know how I felt about World finessing and using me for content. So I said, boom. I hop on here and talk to them and I'm like, I don't know you at all, boom, boom, boom. That'll mean every single thing that I ever did with World, all that content would be obsolete. You know what I mean? Like, it won't even matter. That was the plan. This nigga, he get carried away. He talk, 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 talk. And I enjoyed the talk, okay? Because I don't know if I enjoyed the talk. I don't know if I was asleep. At one point, I think I did fall asleep. I don't know if I did or not. But anyway, the nigga talking. So Malia hop up there, bitch. I'm being nice to the whore, okay? This a bitch that up and left her fucking son on some Nature Boy on me. Bye. You was disappointed at first, but you didn't disappoint. Anyway, people funny. But so so Malia, right? I don't know if the nigga went to the bathroom or what he did. So Malia goes, "Can I ask you a question?" And I don't know how I didn't get. She asked the question or whatever, but I don't know what else. I think that was at the time when I was talking to you, and I was waiting for with my lips dry. Okay, so I think that was the time I was talking to you, whatever. So I didn't even hear her. So I'm like, wait, what you say? Whatever. The bitch was like, I wanted to read Nature Boy, but he was taking too long to come the fuck back. And whoever the corny ass whore that kicked me out, fuck you. And I'm still going back on that bitch. Watch. That's that's what y'all don't know. I don't know Nature Boy, right? I don't know Nature Boy in real life. But how much I want to bet I still go on that panel when I feel like it. Then we have a heart to heart when I feel like it. Because I don't know the nigga. Fuck out here, y'all don't. Anyway, so boom, Malia goes, "Can I ask you a question? Why would you even associate with someone like World?" Someone like World? Bitch, I just sat on this motherfucking shit for I don't know how many hours listening to this nigga lie and spew shit and act like he didn't goddamn force you to fight and get bit by that fucking mangy ass little girl. And you gonna talk about bitch, what? Fuck you mean why would you associate with World? Why would you leave you mean why would you associate with World? Why would you leave your son, you dumb whore? Why the fuck are you sitting up on a panel with him at the top of the fucking morning and you over there on your last leg, you dumbass bitch? Fuck she mean. Fuck them whores. I tried. And you know what? Nah. Because at the end of the day, it ain't right. If a nigga pay you for some shit, you gotta come through. So what? Give him half the money back or what? Do a do-over or what? I fucked up, man. Well, they might believe that shit because I was, man, I don't know, bro. I don't really know, bro. I tried, like, bro, this nigga got me fucked up. This bitch gonna think, why would you associate with somebody? Bitch, you are 22 years old. You was in the hospital for 90 days with that gangrene. Bitch, you 20 something with, yes, right, with gangrene. She not even out. The bitch in a fucking nursing home. You 20 something somewhere with a fucking nurse. Who the fuck you talking to, whore? You done fucking left your son to go down here and catch the fucking cooties, and then you sitting up on a panel with the very nigga that cootified you. The nigga that cootified you. Asking me what the fuck. Why would you do? Bitch, fuck you. Babe, do I sound country? I told her. Hmm? I'm from North Carolina. He definitely didn't pay her. She lying. He ain't pay me shit. What are y'all talking about? He definitely didn't pay her. Who's getting paid here? Malia? Who? Y'all cashing checks?
Okay. Okay. There we have it. I think she admitted that she actually did not know Nature Boy. So she's been going on all these different panels, and she's been on the World's panel a lot and running around the internet and telling everybody that she knew Nature Boy. And she's making up stories saying how he was, I think one point she even said he used to come out and jump on the car and, and act like, I don't know, he was flying or something or want to fly Batman or something. And, had all kinds of, then even sit around and say, well, back then when he was killing animals, that kind of stuff. It's really not cool. That's really not cool because, you know, what Nature Boy is doing is a humongously dangerous thing in our community. He is hurting women in an extent of, I mean, it's beyond belief. It's beyond that this man, one person is that negative. One person is that horrible. The only thing good that comes out of Nature Boy is that he can smile every now and then. Or he don't smile. What it is, he can joke around a little bit, if you can call them jokes. He don't really, he's not really, he don't really have a sense of humor, really. He's just, he just says things that he think is funny, and most of the time the people just laugh at it. So, it's something seriously wrong there. And look at Malia, and um, how he treated Velvet and all these other women, and then what he does with his daughter, right on live in front of our face, molest her, so he's doing horrible, horrible things. He's a horrible person, and we get someone come in and lie to the community about him. You know, it's not a game. This is not a game. This man is not playing when he is hurting women. He's not playing when he's spreading STDs. Okay? He's not playing with anyone. He's not playing when he's manipulating people to the point where they have a hard time breaking the energy spell that he's putting on them. They have a hard, he's not playing when he is using teachings, real legitimate teachings that could really heal people, but he's using it to benefit himself. So he's spreading a lot of disinformation and misinformation about the teachings, where people could get healed, but nobody's getting healed over there. So it's nothing to play with. This is nothing to play with. And Eligio is nobody to play with either. You don't play with him, because he will have you almost walking backwards. Your head will be so messed up. Okay, so anyways, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Um, that's it for this video. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace and blessings.